Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change door trim. First, let's gather your essential tools: a reliable pry bar, a sharp utility knife, and a precise tape measure. You will also need a miter saw for accurate cuts, along with a hammer or a nail gun and some caulk for the finish. Always prioritize safety. Wearing gloves and eye protection is absolutely crucial for this project. Having the right tools makes the entire process smoother and more efficient. Removing old door trim requires a gentle touch and careful execution. Begin by using your utility knife to score the paint or caulk line where the trim meets the wall, preventing unwanted tears. Now, carefully insert your pry bar behind the trim, making sure to use a thin scrap of wood as a backer to protect your wall from damage. Gently work your way down, slowly prying the trim away, then pull out any old nails from the frame for a clean surface. Accurate measurements are vital for a professional finish. First, measure the exact height of your door frame for the side pieces of trim, cutting them to fit snugly from the floor up. Then, measure the top horizontal piece, known as the head casing, adding about 1/4 of an inch of overhang on each side for a balanced look. Use your miter saw to carefully cut the ends of all three pieces at a precise 45-degree angle, ensuring they align perfectly for a clean, tight joint. With your pieces cut, it is time for installation. Begin by positioning the side trim pieces, using a level to ensure they are perfectly vertical before securing them with 8-penny finishing nails, spaced about every 12 to 16 inches. Next, install the top horizontal piece, carefully aligning its mitered corners with the side pieces. Finally, apply a thin bead of paintable caulk along all seams and fill any nail holes. Then paint the trim for a truly professional and seamless finish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.